this is Kelsey shining in for Chicago family out at the St. Sabina, the last Peace March for St. Sabina in Chicago, South Side. There's Father Pfleger right there. If I can get in front, it's raining out here, and I got a placard that I'm trying to balance. I'm trying to do a balancing act here. Okay, so there's Father Pfleger. You actually can't see it, but Spike Lee is back there. Spike Lee is right over there behind him. Let me see if I can get him a little bit in here. Okay, there's Spike right over there. There he is walking right there. There's Spike Lee. He's out here with everybody else, got his raincoat on. And it's raining. We got a ambulance coming. And this is our reality, so nothing we can do about it. Let's pray that they're all right at the ambulance, and let's just hope it's a false call, okay? But this is on the south side of Chicago. Father Pfleger, hold on for a second. Hey man, when you gonna let me make some of those old stations out in New York, up in Memphis? That was Spike right there. Hey Spike, can you say something, man? Can you say something? Yes, he's walking. Okay, here you go. I'm not gonna get hit. I ain't gonna get hit. Save the baby. Save the baby. Okay, wait till later. Okay. Staggering information, Father Pfleger gave some staggering statistics right before we started the march on how many people have been killed in Chicago. I mean, just recently. Just staggering numbers. They're blowing horns and showing support, okay? So that's what they're doing. So they're still coming in. They're still trekking down. All right, throwing up that peace sign, huh? All right. Okay, it wasn't that many when we started out. It must be people that's joining in the march as we go along, okay? But they're building up. I would say maybe between 125, 150 people, 175 people, something like that. But it's raining outside. Okay, so that's how it is. All right, signing off. Peace March. Chicago family wanted to be represented here. Anything that's dealing with this violence and all of this insane, senseless, needless mayhem that we're experiencing here in Chicago. Okay? Signing off, Chicago family.